In the world of business, your reputation is everything. Today, we're going to explore how first aid training plays a crucial role in protecting your company's reputation. Your company's reputation is built on trust, and trust is built on how you handle adversity. So let's discover why investing in first aid training safeguards your reputation. And here are the key reasons why it's essential. It demonstrates a commitment to employee safety and well-being, reduces the severity of workplace injuries, enhances your ability to respond to emergencies, positions your company as a responsible corporate citizen, and it boosts employee morale and engagement. First aid training is not just about responding to emergencies, it's about upholding your company's values. It's about demonstrating that you care and you're prepared to act when it matters most. First aid training safeguards your company's reputation because in your workplace, actions speak louder than words. Because in your business, reputation is the cornerstone of success.